Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. How are you, everyone? I hope all of you are doing good by the blessings of Almighty Allah. Well, I'm also fine, thank you. So, you already know my name. This is Zubaer Islam, your math teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 13 branch. And already you have finished your final term syllabus, right? And the revision class is going on right now. So let's see what topic we will discuss today. And everybody keep attention from the beginning to end. I hope all of your idea about today's topic will be clear if you focus properly. Okay, so let's see what is waiting for our today's class.
Welcome everyone on today's online PowerPoint slide presentation. I am Zubaer Islam, your math teacher. So today I will discuss about multiplication word problem. Before starting our today's class, I want to discuss something from the previous class. So can you remember what was your previous class? Your previous class was about simple multiplication problem, carrying and without carrying. So let's see if you can properly those or not. Okay. So here is our some simple multiplication problem. You can see three simple multiplication problem. So the first one is 8 into 2. So I think this one is very easy. If you want to recall the times table of 2, then you can solve this one. Or if you want to recall the times table of 8, you can also solve this one. So what is 2 8s are, students? Very good. 2 8s are 16. Or if you can recall the times table of 8, 8 2s are 16. Very good. Okay. So what about number B? 30 into 2. So here you can see a number is 2 digit, another is single digit. So whenever we will get 2 digit number, we will always try to do rough work. Okay, so let's see the rough work. Okay, so now we have to write 30 then 2. Okay, so 30 into 2. So first we have to calculate the ones place value. That means 2 into 0. So 2 into 0, what will be? Can you tell? So if we multiply any number with 0, then we will get 0 every time. So 2 into 0, it will be 0. Then we have to multiply these two numbers. First we have done from ones place, now we have to go to tens place. So 3 2s are or 2 3s are 6. So we have got 30 into 2, 60. So we have to write the answer over here also, right? This is rough work. This is not our main problem. This is our main problem. So we have to write rough the answer here. So 330 into 2, 60. So let's come to number C. Here you can see 24 into 6. Again we have got 2 digit number. So we have to do rough work. So RW, and RW is the short form of rough work. You know that very well. So 24 into 6. Now what we have to do in the first? 6 into 4. That means we have to calculate the ones place. So 6 into 4, 24. So we have to write only 4, and we have 2 in our hand. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate 6 into 2. So 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12, and 12 plus 2, we have to add this 2 with 12. Okay, this is the carrying, this is our carrying number. So 12 into 2, it will be 14. So our answer is 144. So we have to write the answer here also. So our answer is 24 into 6 is 144. Okay, so students, let's move to our today's class. It's revision class number 10 and the topic is multiplication word problem extra. Okay, so now we will look some facts of multiplication first. Okay, so what are the facts? Number A is another name of multiplication is called repeated addition. That means if we have to repeat the same number again and again in addition, that time we will do multiplication. It will reduce our time of calculation, as well as we can easily solve any problem if we know the times table very well. Okay, so let's go to some facts number B. That is, the answer of multiplication is called product. Remember this one. And can you tell me what is the answer of the division is called? Yes, it's quotient. And what is the answer of the subtraction? Can you remember? Well done, it's difference. Very good. So you have to remember all these things properly. Okay. Okay, so number C is the opposite method of multiplication is called division. So if we say that what is the opposite method of division, then you will have to say it's multiplication. But whenever the question is the opposite method of multiplication, it is division. And can you tell me what is the opposite method of addition? Exactly, the opposite method of addition is subtraction. Okay, so let's see what is the fact number D. So here you can see some keywords for multiplication word problem. This is multiply, product, times, groups, how many, how much, etc. Okay, so try to memorize these things. This is very much important. Okay, okay. So now we will look for some facts of multiplication word problem. Okay, so these facts are very much important whenever you have to do any kind of multiplication word problem. So first one is you have to write the statement properly. Okay, just try to read the question properly first, then from the question you have to write the statements or write the sentence, okay, in answer part. And number B is do not write any line underneath the numbers or statement when you will do multiplication problem. Also, this thing is applicable for division word problem. You do not have to write any line underneath your statement or your sentence. Only whenever you will do addition and subtraction, then you will write the line, then you will calculate. Understood? Okay. So number C is when there is 2-digit numbers, try to do rough work. Okay, it's very much important, because if you do rough work, your calculation will be correct. Okay, you will not face any kind of problem. But if you try to do without rough work when there is 2-digit number, you may face problem. So try to do rough work when there is 2-digit numbers. Okay, okay. So student, first let's watch a video, then we will enter our multiplication word problem.
Multiplications, word problems. Starry, I promised my 6 friends that I would give them chocolates today. If I have to give each friend 2 chocolates, then how many chocolates should I have with me? What are you calculating, Starry? Oh, you are adding 2 chocolates 6 times. So we get 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 12. Starry, don't you think we can multiply 2 and 6 and get the answer? See, 2 multiplied by 6 means 2 sixes are 12. So I will have to take 12 chocolates with me. Starry, just like addition and subtraction, while solving multiplication problems, we have to find what is given and then what is to be found out. Then solve the problem. Now let us read this problem. 8 friends were traveling by bus. They had to pay rupees 4 for each ticket. How much money they had to pay for all the tickets? What has been given in this problem, Starry? Yes, it is given that the cost of one ticket is rupees 4. The total number of tickets to be bought is 8. We have to find the total amount of money. So we shall multiply 4 by 8. How much is 4 eighths, Starry? Yes, 32. So they need 32 rupees in all to buy 8 tickets. Let's solve the next one. There were 6 pencils in a box. Ali purchased 5 such boxes. How many pencils does he have in all? It is given that Ali purchased 5 boxes of pencils. Each box has 6 pencils. What do we have to find out? We have to find the total number of pencils with Ali. Can you solve this problem, Starry? Yes, it's simple. We have to multiply 5 by 6. So 5 sixes are 30. Thus, Ali purchased 30 pencils in all. Should we solve the next example, Starry? Okay, then let's read it. One rabbit has 2 ears. How many ears do 10 rabbits have? What should we do, Starry? Yes, multiply 2 by 10. 2 tens are 20. So 10 rabbits have 20 ears altogether. Let us solve the last example. Sarita reads 3 pages of a storybook every day. How many pages can she read in 7 days? In one day, Sarita reads 3 pages. So, in 7 days, Sarita can read 3 multiplied by 7 pages. Do you know what the answer is, Starry? Yes, 3 sevens are 21. So Sarita can read 21 pages in 7 days. Starry, solving multiplication word problems also helps us in day-to-day life.
Well, I think you have understood uh, how to do multiplication word problem. Your idea has been cleared after watching the video, right? Okay, so let's try to solve some more word problem of multiplication. Let's see if you can do it or not. So our problem number 1, the first one is, uh, let's read out the problem first, then we will go for solution. Safa went to the market to buy some coconuts. Okay, she bought 6 baskets of coconut. Each basket contained 15 coconuts. How many coconuts did she buy from the market? So we have to find coconuts. Students, can you tell me what is the keyword here? How many, right? Okay, and can you tell me each basket means what? Each means 1. So one basket contains 15 coconuts and we have to find 6 baskets of coconut. That means we have to find the total amount of coconut. But we can do here addition. If we add 15 6 times, then we will get the answer, but it is little bit time consuming, right? So I told you before, whenever we have to add same number again and again, that time we will not do addition, we will do multiplication. So here we will do multiplication. Okay, so let's see what will be our solution. First we have to make the sentence. First we have to make a proper sentence or proper statement. So we have to find coconut. So coconut will be in the right side and basket will be in the left side. So what we can write from this line, first we will make the first sentence. Okay, so we will write one basket contain 15 coconuts and we have to find for 6 baskets. So we will write 6 baskets contain 15 into 6 coconuts. Now we have to find what will be our answer if we multiply 15 into 6. Here you can see, students, 15 is 2-digit number. So we have to do rough work. Okay, so let's see what is our rough work. 15 into 6. So first we have to do ones place. First we have to multiply these two numbers, 5 into 6. So 5 6 are 30. So we have to write 0 here. And we have 3 in our hand. Now we have to multiply 6 into 1. Then we will add this 3 with the answer. So 6 into 1, 6 ones are 6 and 6 plus 3, it is 9. So 15 into 6, our answer will be 90 coconuts. So now we have to write the answer, right? And students, whenever we will write the answer, we have to look out the last line of the question. So what is the last line of the question? How many coconuts did she buy from the market? We can write the answer from this line. So what we can write? She bought 19 coconuts from the market. So students, whenever you will write the answer, always try to write the answer from the last line of the question, then you will find it easy. Okay, so let's go to problem number 2. So what is problem number 2? Mukta and Mahi work 4 hours daily. So how many hours they will work in 1 week? So students, 1 week means how many days? Can you remember? Okay, so let's see, 1 week means what, and what about daily? Daily means 1 day, right? And students, can you tell me what is our keywords here? Here you can see our keywords, right? Okay, so if they work 4 hours in 1 day regularly, so how many hours they will work in 7 days? So let's see the solution. So first we have to write 1 week equals how many days? So 1 week equals 7 days. Now we will write the statement. So we will write the statement from the first line. Okay, so let's see what is our statement. In one day they work 4 hours, and in 7 days they work 7 into 4 hours. So students, there is single digit number, so we do not have to do the rough work. If we recall the times table of 4 or recall the times table of 7, we can easily find out the answer. So 7 4s are what? 28. So our answer is 28 hours. So the last part is answer. So they will work 28 hours in 1 week. Okay, so let's move to problem number 3. Okay, so problem number 3, let's read out the problem number 3. Zarin's father works 12 hours a day. If he works 9 days, then how many hours will he work? So 12 hours a day, that means in one day Zarin's father works 12 hours, and if he continue do this work like 9 days, then how many hours he will work in total? So that means it is the repeating thing, right? The same number is repeating for 9 days, so we have to do multiplication, right? Because if we want to do addition, it will take more time. Okay, so let's see what is our solution. Our solution is, first we have to write from the first line. In one day he works 12 hours, and in 9 days we have to find for 9 days. So in 9 days he works 12 into 9 hours. So students, here is 2-digit number, that means we have to do rough work. So let's see the rough work. So 12 into 9. So first we have to multiply 2 into 9. 2 into 9 is 18, and we have 1 in our hand. So 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 1, it is 10. So our answer is 108. So in 9 days he works 108 hours. So what we will write in the answer section? He will work 108 hours in 9 days. Very good, my dear students. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the word problem properly, how you have to write, right? Okay, so everyone, let's open your diary now and write this thing on your diary. Practice multiplication word problem at home. Have you done? Okay, so I hope you have understood today's class and you have a very clear idea about multiplication word problem. Thank you so much, my dear students, from being with me from the beginning till the end. And if you face any kind of problem regarding multiplication word problem or any kind of problem in math, try to contact with your subject teacher, and inshallah he or she will discuss with your problem in the Zoom class. So see you very soon, students. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.